Remember, if you fail it, if you fail an action or you fail the labeling, they are going to let you know immediately. I'm going to show you an example on my screen of the error you get when you fail, right? But I've not failed anyone so far. Guys, welcome to another video tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'll make this very, very fast. I'll just show you how to perform the task on this new Atlas Capture Human Verifier task. So if you for those that don't know, Atlas Capture has changed. So you must still pass the assessment. So if you've not passed the assessment, go and watch my video on how to pass the assessment. And after passing the assessment, this is the kind of new task you see. It's called Human Verifier. So with Human Verifier, you don't need to do anything. You don't need to label. You don't need to write anything. You don't need to cut. You don't need to make any segments. All you have to do now is come here. Okay, let me refresh first. Right. Refresh the page. Okay. So all you have to do now is come here, look at the actions that is happening, and then read all the labeling. If it's correct, you click on correct. If it's wrong, you click on wrong. So it's very, very simple, very, very straightforward. The only downside is that the pay is not as high as the previous method of doing tax on Atlas Capture. So the pay is very, very low. So without wasting much time, let me just show you how to do it. I'll take some examples, maybe 10 or 15 examples, right? Show you how to do it, and then that'll be all. So let's start. So the first tax is what our first advice is, put it in 0.5. You understand? 0.5 speed, and then start it from the beginning. So hold package with right hand. Was the package held with right hand throughout the video? The package wasn't held with right hand only. So this is wrong. You can say wrong hand or wrong action, right? So wrong action. Why is it a wrong action? It's a wrong hand because it was held with both hands. It was picked up with both hands and then held with can you see it was picked up with both hands and then held with the left hand, not the right hand. Then pick up and place clip in package with left hand. Okay, the clip is inside the package, right? So inside this package, there are clips in them. So it was picked up and placed clip in package. This is also wrong. Wrong action. Do you understand? Because the whole package was picked up. It was not placed in the clip, it was placed in the basket, right? Pass package from right hand to left hand. Yeah, this is right. This is correct because the package left the hand and then it was placed package in basket with right hand. It was placed with left hand, so this is also wrong. Wrong action. Why is it a wrong action? It is the wrong hand that was used. Now this one, pass package from right hand to left hand. This is also wrong, right? It is a wrong action. Do you understand? Because the package was not passed per se. Both hands were holding it. You understand? If you only use pass when the right hand is holding it and then it passes it to the left hand, but this one, both hands were holding it at the same time and then the right hand left it. Can you see? So missing any important action? Yes, it's missing a lot of important actions. So everything here in this labeling is wrong and it missed a lot of important actions. So you click on submit. So now the next one is hold black sandal with left hand. As you can see, the left hand is actually holding the sandal. So yes, this is correct. Wipe black sandal with cloth in right hand. There's a cloth in the right hand and it's wiping the black sandal. Can you see? So it's correct. Shift black sandal with left hand. Did it happen? Yes, it happened. So yes. Is any important part missing? No. You understand? Then you click on submit. So next segment. Straighten stripe shirt with both hands. So this is striped shirts. And it was straightened with both hands. So this is correct. Is any action missing? No action is missing. So you submit it. So you understand how very easy it is. If I'm not that I'm explaining, it will even take me less than 10 seconds to complete each one. Do you understand? So align yellow garments with both hands. Let's see. Let's watch from the beginning again. Align. Now you have to check Atlas capture guideline. Is align allowed? Is align an allowed word? If it's allowed, yes. If it's not allowed, no. So you just need to go and check the guideline. Like I said, this account I'm just using it for tutorial purposes. I don't really care if they ban it or not. So I'm going to choose yes. I don't know if align is allowed. Then place yellow garment on pile with both hands. So was the garment placed? Yes. Then is any other important action missing? No, based on what I'm seeing. And then I'll submit. And it's correct. Because if it is wrong, they're going to tell you, they're going to give you a strike immediately. Immediately. If you get an answer wrong, you're going to get failed immediately. They're going to show you that you failed. And then you're going to give like a 10 seconds cooldown for you to wait before you do the next task. So verify what the hand are doing. Okay, tuck bedspread on that table with both hands. So let's see. This is wrong. It was not tucked under the table. The bedspread or whatever was just being arranged. So this is wrong. Wrong action. Right. Yeah, wrong action. Is there a wrong object? No. Added object, missed object. It's just wrong action. Smoothing bedspread with both hands. Can you see that both hands are actually smoothing it? Yes. Did it miss any action? No. So no other action was missed. Then submit. And it is correct. Verify that. Okay. Hold metal components with left hand. Let me see. Yes. The left hand is actually holding a component, so this is correct. Scrub metal component with brush in right hand. There's a brush in the right hand. This is correct. Dip brush in liquid with right hand. The brush was dipped. Yes. So these are the 3 actions in the video, and no other major action is missing. So you click on no, and then you submit. Then the next one, hold toothbrush. Yeah, hold toothbrush with left hand. This is wrong. It is the right hand that is holding the toothbrush. So wrong hand. The action is correct. There is a holding of toothbrush. So the reason why I did not use wrong action here is because the ego is actually holding the toothbrush. So it is the right action, but wrong hand. Pick up shoe with left hand. Yeah, the left hand pick up the shoe is correct. Then place shoe on table with left hand. After picking up, did the ego place the shoe on the table? Or yes, the ego placed the shoe on the table. So any other missing action? No. Let me see if this is correct. And it is correct. So the next one, rinse faucet. Remember, if you fail it, if you fail an action or you fail the labeling, they are going to let you know immediately.
Yes.
I'm going to show you an
This is
example
correct.
on my
Both
screen
hands are doing the action
of any other missing
the
action.
error you get
no.
when you fail.
Submit.
Right.
But I've not failed anyone
And it
so
is
far.
correct.
So fold fabric with both hands. This is wrong. So wrong action. Totally wrong action. There was no folding of fabric, so just leave it as wrong action. What the ego did was actually adjust. Then is any action, important action missing? Yes. And then submit. I'm also correct. So the next part is shift shots with both hands. So yes, the shot was actually shifted with both hands. Let's watch it again from the beginning. Can you see? Both hands. Yes. Shift stack of clothes with both hands. Okay, this one is a bit confusing, but I'll choose yes because there was contact between the hand and the stack of clothes. Watch again. You see, there was a little contact. Missing any action? No. Let me see if I failed this one. I still got it correctly. So I'll also end this video because I don't want to make it very, very long. So I think maybe I'll do 2 more. Now, straighten pink shirts with both hands. So let's see. Straighten, fold. The action that's happening here is fold. Do you understand? The action that's happening here is fold. If it's me, I'll use fold. But straighten is still also another word that is allowed on Atlas Caption. It's an allowed verb. So yes, this is correct. Fold stack with both hands. Stack. What is stack? This is wrong. Why? Wrong objects. Do you understand? You're going to say now wrong objects because they did not name the object. Yes, there was a folding action, but they did not name the object that is being folded, which is the cloth or the shirts, whatever you want to call it. Fold pink shirts with both hands. Yes. So the fold action happened. Can you see? And then the straighten action also happened. Did they miss any other importance? No. And then it is correct. So let me do this last one for just example. Hold spoon with both hands. As you can see, both hands is holding the spoon, which is correct. Right. Is any other missing action? I feel like there's a missing action, but no, there's no missing action. Submit. So basically that's all you need to do. And then you can complete your task on Atlas Capture. So this new method is very, very easy to complete tasks. But the only downside is that the payment is not as high as before. So that's all for this video. If you have questions, don't forget to ask me questions. You can ask me questions here. You can ask me questions under my Twitter page. You can ask me questions on my Telegram channel, or you can send me a DM on LinkedIn. So that will be all for now. See you in the next video and keep making money.